Good morning everybody, it's Hugh from Berthon. We are here on an absolutely gorgeous day up on the Beaulieu River. Today we're looking at a 2003 built Levi Corsair. She's called Blue Corsair. She's on the market with us now. Let's take a look on board. I'm just going to shut up and let you breathe this in. If you can think of a more beautiful shape for a powerboat than this Corsair, then you're doing better than me. Any answers on a postcard to Berthon, please. But this is a Levi Corsair 28. She's called Blue Corsair. She was designed by Renato Sonny Levi in the 1960s. She's a direct blood relative of Asperanziera, a 30-foot sharply V'd prototype penned to be produced by the Italian Cantiere Navaltecnica Yard in Anzio. And in fact, that was the first deep V boat designed in Italy, and she took part in the furiousness of the first Cowes Torquay run in 1961. So here we are on board. You'll have seen that beautiful shear line just tracking aft with pronounced spray rails, keeping these decks nice and dry. She's eminently practical. We have rails leading up to the foredeck, communications mast here, all beautifully varnished, handrails done beautifully. Moving up to the bow, we've got the Lofren's powered windlass with a stainless steel, highly polished Bruce on this beautiful cupped anchor release mechanism. A couple of small deck lockers. We've got new timber cheeks either side, just support those two cleats. And as you'll likely have noticed, there are limber holes cut into those. Those were replaced 2019 and 2020. She's got these beautiful windows. Again, detail on the grab rails here. This lovely timber strip running right the way aft, finished in all wood. So it gives it excellent surface protection. She had a new bathing platform in 2019 after a rather bumpy passage through the Ile de Bats race. And then new cushions lying on top of a pair of Volvo KAD43P 230 horse diesels, which will jettison her to around about 45 knots. How cool is that? So we got a nice tight cockpit, fender lockers port and starboard, finished in mirror gloss all wood. Timber floor to her cockpit. We've got access to fuel tanks and two storage lockers, port and starboard, and a matching locker the other side. Overhead, at the moment we've got this bimini rigged on this bright sunny day. There's also a blue canvas tonneau and a cream camper canopy with windows in if you want to cover the entire cockpit. So Sonny Levi was in the RAF prior to heading back to Italy, and therefore you've got this beautiful binnacle just reminiscent of a World War II fighter. And then we have this beautiful, beautiful interior cabin. So it's small but perfectly formed. So she was actually commissioned in 2005. She's in second ownership from new. That was the little Levi Seahorse there. This is finished in blonde African walnut. Over to port, there's a small compact galley with a polished black granite worktop. A pair of Concorde-esque forward screens, and then we've got double V-berth up forward, all beautifully trimmed out. Again, this blonde African walnut really complements the line of this boat. Over to starboard, there's an occasional dinette, which will drop into a double if you have friends round. 12-volt switching is on this aft bulkhead with a smart locker in there, and there's actually really good storage throughout. So we've got a locker there, there's another locker set right against the hull side. That's the mechanism for just dropping this table. Cave lockers there. And then a small heads compartment in here. So this has just got manual loo, cold tap. It's not quite the Hilton, but it does the job beautifully. Mirror here, lovely, lovely timber, glossed surrounds. She's a really, really classic motor yacht in the best traditions. Look at that. Beautiful louvered doors, plenty of teak, incredible rock star good looks. Super capable through a confused sea. We're proud to have her on our books now. This is Blue Corsair. Many thanks for watching.